So this is how you are going to check the anesthesia assessment done by the anesthesia doctor in OPD. Say for example, we have a patient admitted today under Dr. Dahab, okay, for OR. So usually in the old system, when the patient admitted, the anesthesia form, consent, and surgery consent all together attached in the old file of the patient. So if the patient is admitted in the system, what you will find only if patient is for OR is the anesthesia consent and the surgery consent. So please, before you push the patient to OR, you have to check if the anesthesia assessment was really done as outpatient or it was saved in the system, in the CIRUS. Don't just rely on what is written in the yellow sheet or order, or be confident that the doctor did it as outpatient, so no need to check. No, you have to check. You have to see it with your own eyes to make sure that all your documents, all your forms is complete when you send the patient to OR. So for example, this patient under Dr. Dahab, this patient is already discharged, but I will just use this MR number just to show to you how you are going to check. So for example, this is your patient admitted today, Amal, which is for OR. Click this one, and then you will see here the name of Amal. You will find here the 3 lines with that. Click, and click the electronic health record. Okay, now go to this arrow back, click it, and then this will be your screen, and select encounter data. Okay, you will find here on this column the forms. Open it. See, this is the anesthesia assessment form done as outpatient, and the one who assessed the patient or created this is Dr. Amro. Click this one. This is now your anesthesia assessment done as outpatient, saved in the CIRUS. So you scroll down, you will find all here the comorbidities, the vital signs during the assessment, and then also if the patient is hypertensive, any medication is taken, plus the malampati also is here, malampati class. And on the bottom part, you will find, same like in the manual form, the doctor will write it here, the notes. Either patient is ready for OR, you will find here ready for OR, or if there is any referral needs to be done or labs to follow up. And then the date and time is here and saved by the doctor who created the form. So this is how you are going to check the patient if the assessment is done. Okay? Please take note also that once your patient is discharged, all the forms that you used for this patient, or you created or you filled up for this patient, you will find here in the encounter chart, patient electronic record, okay, on that part. So like this Amal, she was discharged yesterday. When you open again the forms, you will find all the forms here. Encounter data. See here the forms. All the forms that you created during the time the patient is admitted or as outpatient, it will be all transferred on this part. Even also the studies, it's all collected on this part on the patient electronic record. Okay.